Remimpi Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo Honest Review. So, Remimpi promises to reduce hair fall, strengthen hair roots, and promote a healthier scalp. It's marketed as a natural solution for thinning hair and shedding issues. So, the ingredients. The shampoo features biotin, caffeine, and herbal extracts like ginseng, which are commonly used to stimulate scalp circulation and strengthen hair follicles. So let's go to the effectiveness of the product. Users report mixed results. Some see noticeable reduction in hair fall within 4 to 6 weeks, while others mainly notice softer, smoother hair without much change in their shedding. So let's go to the scent and experience. It has a mild herbal scent that feels refreshing and leaves the scalp clean without over drying it. So let's go for the pricing and the value. Remimpi is priced higher than the regular drugstore shampoos, but it could be worth it if you are looking for a natural, sulfate-free option. So for final verdict, Remimpi can be a good addition to a hair care routine, especially if you want gentler ingredients, but don't expect instant regrowth of your hair. Pair it with a healthy diet and scalp care for best results. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.